Hey y'all, my name is Kizzy and I'm not a nail tech. I want to go stupid, dumb glam today. Like just out there. So can we go there, please? Come on, let's go. So we got this peel off base coat from Nails by Deb because I need to be able to remove my nails. If you want to keep them on, you need to do the proper nail prep, what you've seen in all my other videos, basically. But we're skipping that today. So I just apply this to all of my nails so I could easily peel them off and keep my nail. Give it a quick cure. There we go. And bust out with my extra long full cover tips here from either Amazon, Temu, Shein, one of them. They're all the same. And these did not come pre-etched, and we're not going to etch them because, like I said, I want them to come off easily. And take my taffy gel to adhere the nails because this is what works for me. Tap it in, lay it down, and push it up. Let's make sure I'm straight here. Yeah, I'm looking straight. So give that a quick flash cure. And I just pop on all of my nails. There we go. Try to get anything that oozed out before I cure. And take my small mandarin drill bit here and go along the cuticle line, getting that all cleaned up. Turn that down some. There we go. And this will help it fit more flush with my cuticles and remove any of that taffy gel that may have oozed out. Take my hand file, getting them sides there, and also the top, to get it nice and square and get that tab that be on the top off. And take my buffer block and just buff the entire thing. And I'm still seeing a couple of imperfections, so I'm going to take this little round bit here and go along my cuticles. And that'll help smooth everything out. Dust her down, base coat, and let's get to business, honey. So I got 2 of these silver gels, right? Because I need it to be like really silver and reflective. Now this one is from Nail Couture and it is actually a reflective gel, right? But I think it may be too opaque. Is it opaque when you can see through it? Well, it's going to be a little too see-through for me to use as the first layer. So I'm going to take this one first and put this one on. See, because that's jam-packed full of that glitter. See, look at that. I don't know if it's gonna make a difference or not, but you know, I just want to be sure. I want it to be completely covered in that silver glitter. We want to shine, okay? Just go ahead and put that on all of my. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Hello. Yeah, this is gorgeous. I don't think I ever put it on by itself to see it by itself. Real nice. I always put on too much, but it's okay. This is a long nail. I can just swoop it down. There we go. Oh, gorgeous. Go ahead and cure that. And then I'm going to put on that other silver. I don't know if it's going to make a heck of a difference or not, but it says reflective, so that's what we're going with. So I got a pack of these off of Amazon. Now these are mirror cards. Now there is a layer on top. It's a lot more reflective than this. We'll take that off later. But see, it's just a card. It's flexible. We'll be able to cut into it. So let's use these. We'll take another card to use as my guide. Line that up. All right, child. Take this X-Acto knife. I'm going to put a bunch of pressure on it and carefully cut me up a strip. Carefully, but with some good pressure. Ooh. All right. Now I'm going to take my scissors and cut along where I scored the card. Now, it didn't cut through. I just scored it. And the reason I did that is when I tried to cut it before, it made like these crack veins. And I mean, that's the only way I know how to explain it, okay? It kind of cracked it. So when I score it first, when I get my scissors and cut through it, it didn't do that. All right, so let's measure this against my nail so I can see where about to cut it. I just cut it about there. And I'm gonna put some rhinestone glue, take off that backing. There's a sticky backing on there. Get this light on. And try to flash cure that bottom into place. Which did absolutely nothing. So it does self-stick, but the stick isn't that great. But I need to get these on here. So we'll work on trying to get it to actually stick down better later. Let me just get it on here first then. And cut off that top. And I'm going to cut some off the bottom because we're not going to get that bottom laid. It's not going to happen. Okay. Okay, so we still got a lift here that we're going to take care of later. Let me just get all of these strips laid on my nails first. And I'm going to do that on all of my fingers except for the ring finger. All right, now let me try some of this first. I got some of this gel. Since the first adhesive didn't work, let me just try this first. A little bit on this thumb. And see if this one's gonna work before we commit. And just do my professional application here. I've been working on this application for years, okay? So if you can't apply it like me, don't worry about it. You know, just get it on there. Yeah, I think if I hold this down, let me get a brush and try to clean this up some. All right, I got it tucked in there. Let me get my little lamp. Hold it down and flash cure this into place. Let's see if we can get it to stick. Yeah, this is doing well. So this is some happy gel that I got. It's a extension gel. So I'm gonna take some more of this on the brush, and I'm gonna get up in these grooves, okay? And just try to fill that in some. So we're filling in the grooves and trying to get it to stick down well, okay? Now before I cure, I'm gonna place some rhinestones around this border to help everything come together a little more cohesively, right? Add some bling, okay? It's gonna add some bling and it's gonna fill in that gap. And you know, I got almost halfway through with this size here, and it looks nice and delicate, but that's not what we're going for. We said we wanted to go for a stupid dumb glam. So I'm just going to go up like 2 sizes, and let's see how that looks. Oh yeah, tons better, tons better. So let's just wipe off them little ones and replace them with the right size. And now that we got the right size together, let's go all around the nail. And that's what we end up with there. So let's do it with all of them. And if you're in the glam things, you may want to check out my store. It's now connected to my YouTube page here. So it'll be at the bottom of this video and all of my videos, as well as on my channel page. Honey, we got tons of just glam fashion sunglasses. Really nice. So check that out if you like extra glam things. Okay, I see the vision. Now this white rhinestone tray that I got here comes with all kind of different shapes of stones, and we're going to put every single shape on here because it's going to create a vibe, right? I'm going to take big ones, I'm going to take little ones, and just section by section, little by little now, I'm going to fill up my entire nail. Just stone by stone, right up against each other. Whatever can fit there is going there. You got some butterflies there, whatever, don't matter. Some squares, some circles. What's that, a heart, I think? And then I got these like little princess cut kind of stones. It looks like a princess cut earring. I love them. Throw a couple of those in there. That didn't come in the set. I think those came from Temu. And I'm not even using any cuticle beads because any part that doesn't have a stone in it, the silver will reflect from there, you know? So I ain't even worried about it. I'm just gonna fill it up as much as possible. I think that's a teddy bear. Don't even matter. But see, when it come together, baby. And get some top coat and child, put it where you can. Just don't hit that mirror or them stones. And I'm also gonna put top coat on the inside of my nail because you see I didn't build it. Not going to. Just gonna put top coat at the bottom. Gonna make it hard as a rock. And let's throw on the cuticle oil now before we reveal the top mirror part. Because we don't want to get oil on our mirror. Let's peel off the plastic. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Isn't this a treat? Oh, that's so satisfying. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love them. I love them. I love them. Oh, these are hot. I must admit. I did that. I did that. I did. Well, do you like them? Let me know down in the comments if you enjoy this set as much as I do. These are great. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let's get the matching background. Ah, too much. Too much. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Thank you so much for stopping by. I love spending this time with you. If you love spending this time with me, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye.